So we've had a string of very warm days, especially for mid-May.
But has it been warm enough for you to put your AC on? What temp do you like to keep your home at?
Oh, this is funny because, okay, if you're not familiar, Heather, your kids were complaining before. It is so hot.
So outside.
What was the temperature outside when they were saying it was so hot?
Probably about 75, but they also don't like it hot inside. So yes, we have put the air conditioning on.
When did you turn it on? Was it April? Was it March?
No, it was recent.
It was recent?
Last week.
Last week?
Last week,
What do you set it at?
70.
70?
Yeah. What should I be setting it at? What do you set yours at?
72.
Okay.
This is a judgment-free zone.
Yeah, well, if I set it at 72, it's fine on the first floor, but then the second floor gets super stuffy at 72. So that's why I keep it down at 70.
I get it. Joseph, you turn the AC on?
I try to crank it down to like 68. I'm like bringing it down. I can only sleep when it's cool. Yeah, I turn on the air. I try to, at least. It hasn't been working great, but because I'm on the top floor of an old warehouse in the North Loop. So it has a hard time. They're working on the chillers there, but I wanted it.
Yeah. I turned it on last week.
You did.
I waited for the last second, and then so I've got it downstairs, and downstairs is typically much cooler.
Right.
And then I went upstairs and said, "It's time.
It's time.
It's time."
I probably will turn it off though tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then keep it off through the weekend. Just open up the windows, and that'll clear anything out.
And I think we have a nice stretch coming up. But like we had 4 days pretty much at 90. So if you've been like grunting through this, like good for you. But it's been hot.
Now's probably a good time if you haven't done it so already. You may want to get that AC tuned up because it could be an interesting summer too. It could be a hot summer too.
How about you? Have you turned on the AC yet during this hot streak? Where do you like to keep your temp? Let us know. You can go to our Facebook page. We'll also share some of your thoughts later on in the show.
Aaron says yes. Central air is set to 73, and we also have a portable AC in our bedroom, and that is set to 61 at night. Wow.
Terry says, I've not turned on the AC, but I did get it serviced. Fans work for now, as I have my windows open to air out that winter air. 72 is my preferred all year.
And Linda says, you better believe I have, and it's been on for a while. I absolutely refuse to be hot and uncomfortable in my own house, so I have the AC set at 68 degrees, the blinds down, so that is nice and cool. That was very detailed there. Thanks, everybody, for your feedback.